Okay, so here's part 2. Now that, and by the way, this is Dory, if you're watching this in random order. Now that you have taken your song and from iTunes and made an MP3 version of this song, the idea is now to find the song on your computer. So it's really simple to do. And you'll see here that you still have your original version of the song in your iTunes. And so what iTunes has done has created the MP3 version that we did in part 1, but you don't see it here in iTunes. So we need to find where iTunes has placed it on your computer so that you can drag it over to Audacity. So first things first, we're going to come down to the lower left-hand corner of your screen for the Windows symbol. Hopefully you're using Windows. If not, you'll know how to get to this area if you're using another system, as it works for your operating system. So we're going to click down here, and you'll see Start Search, and the cursor will be blinking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the first few letters of the song. I'm going to keep going, typing the actual whole name, which it didn't find it. So let's go back to only a couple of letters. So I just typed in ZU space BAI. And I see all of these different ones up here at the top. So what I'm going to do is hover over it to see, is this an MP3 version? It says so. MP3 format sound. Which version is this? This is MPEG-4 audio. This is the original iTunes version of the song. So the one above it is actually the MP3 version. So I'm going to right mouse click on it, and I'm going to go Open File Location, so I can actually open the place, the folder, the file, and where this particular MP3 is. So I see it right here under iTunes Media, Music, Zumba, Zumba Original. So I see here MP3, that's the version that we want. Okay, so now we're going to go a step further, and we're going to go ahead and open Audacity so that we can just take this MP3 song and a version of this song and drag it over into Audacity. So I'm going to go ahead and open Audacity, clicking down into the Windows icon, scrolling up to Audacity and opening Audacity up. I don't want to delete any files, I never ever do, and here goes Audacity. So click down into that Zumba original folder again, because we want to be able to see your working space for Audacity as well as your MP3 version of Su Bailado. So you've got your song, you've highlighted it, you're going to click down ever so gently one time, and you are going to drag it into your gray working space in Audacity. And it's bringing it over. And voila, you have your song in Audacity. Alright, now you're going to go on to the next part in this tutorial series, which is how to edit a song, in a word in a song that needs to be edited. Alright, see you in the next video, or talk to you in the next video.